Manadonese cuisine is famous for its spicy dishes. So today, I'm going to make Ayam Garo Rica. Ayam Garo Rica. I'm going to translate it for you word by word. So ayam means chicken. Garo is a Manadonese word. It means to scratch. So we're going to scratch the wok while we're going to cook it. Rica is chili. In other places in Indonesia, we also call it cabai, or maybe lombok and stuff like that. So this dish is going to focus on the chili more than the other ingredients. So let me show you. So for our ingredients here, we have our tomato, bird's eye chili, shallots, candle nut, or in Bahasa Indonesia we call this kemiri. We have our garlic, our ginger, our lime leaf, our pandan leaf, turmeric powder, and our chicken, and some coconut oil to cook it off later. Originally in Manado, we use pork to make this kind of dish, so it's called babi garo rica. But today I'm just going to use chicken because it's more common and more people eat chicken than pork here in Indonesia. First I'm going to chop my shallots. Next, my tomatoes. And I'm going to grind the rest of my ingredients, starting with my garlic, my ginger, we only need about this much. Some people like to roast their candle nuts before grinding it, but I think that since we're going to fry it anyway, so we don't really need to, it's not that necessary. To make your grinding process a little bit efficient, put a cloth underneath your grinding stone. First, our garlic, then our candle nut, then our ginger, and then a 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. Separate them. Now the chilies. I got a cooking tip here for you. If you don't want your chilies to slip around while you're grinding them, add a little bit of salt on top of them. That'll prevent them from slipping away. If you have a blender or food processor, just use that to make your life easier. I'm using a stone grinder because I'm showing you the traditional way. Now you can put back all the other ingredients. Okay, now we're done with our Rica-Rica paste. We can move on with our chicken. Now we wash our chicken. And for my pandan leaf, I'm just gonna tie it up. And as always, start with a hot wok. Add your coconut oil. Starting with our shallots. And make sure to keep stirring so you won't end up with some brown bits of shallots. When its aroma starts to come out, it's time to put in the rest of the ingredients. Make sure to stir evenly. When it starts to brown, it's time to add in our tomatoes. Our pandan leaf. And our lime leaves. If you don't have lime leaves and pandan leaves, you can absolutely leave it out and not use it, because intentionally it's used to cook pork so that the gaminess from the pork can be covered with the aroma of the pandan leaf and the lime leaves. And since we're cooking chicken, it's not really that necessary. I'm just using it to add flavor. Now we can add in our chicken. Mix well. And add a little bit of water. Keep stirring the chicken until all the water evaporates. You know it's done when the water is all evaporated. And last but not least, add some salt. As I mentioned earlier in this video, I said that garo means scratching. So this is what I mean by garo. You scratch the wok. We garo the chicken to prevent it from burning and also to cook it evenly. When most of the liquid has been evaporated, it's time to plate the chicken. Okay, I think we're done. It's time for plating. And make sure to take out the leaves because we don't need them anymore. And here we have it, Ayam Garo Rica.